In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your TradingView watchlist. If you've been looking to refine your watchlist or just starting with TradingView, this guide will be incredibly helpful. Follow along as we navigate through the steps to effectively organize and customize your TradingView experience. First, let's head over to the TradingView chart. You want to start by going to the BTC/USD chart. This is where you can access your initial watchlist setup. Now, once you're there, focus on the highlighted parts of your screen. These highlights act as your guide for what to do next. Next, you'll want to click on each highlighted part as they appear. This might include navigating various sections or categories within your watch list. As you click, consider what each category represents and how it aligns with your trading strategy or interests. These actions help you organize your watch list in a way that is intuitive for you and easy to manage. Moving on, it's time to delve into specific categories. Start by clicking on Indices. This section will allow you to view a variety of indices that may be relevant to your trading preferences. Clicking on Highlights here will further refine your indices list, giving you more control over what you see and interact with. Continue this process by navigating to the Index CFD category. Within this category, again, follow the highlighted prompts. This repetitive action of clicking through highlighted sections aids in ensuring your watch list is comprehensive and personalized. After indices, let's focus on another major area, forex. By clicking on Forex, you'll open up the world of currency trading directly within your watch list. When you do, make sure to watch for any new highlights that help guide you through specific currency pairs, such as the British pound sterling, United States dollar. Clicking here again allows you to add or remove elements as applicable to your trading strategy. Once you've navigated through Forex, try focusing on specifics like GBP/USD or EUR/USD. Each click on these specific currency pairs will tailor your watch list even more precisely to include exactly what you need. To wrap things up, continue following the highlights. Each click is designed to not only refine what appears on your screen, but also to keep your list updated and sharp. This is essential for anyone who uses TradingView actively, as it ensures the watch list remains relevant to your ever-evolving trading style. By following these steps, your TradingView watchlist will be well equipped to aid you in making informed and swift trading decisions. This efficient organization allows you to focus more on trading and less on navigating clutter, making your TradingView experience both streamlined and effective. Happy trading!